Welcome back to the Crypto Picture channel, where I help you see crypto through a clear lens. Today we'll be doing a little bit of an update on Bitcoin and Ethereum, just taking a look at the chart. We're also going to be looking at Egld and Avax, as well as XOR. So if that sounds interesting to you, please like and subscribe on the way in. And with that being said, let's jump right into the content. So Bitcoin on the weekly, we did briefly come below our parabolic uptrend line, and we have quickly reclaimed that level on a weekly basis. This is why I talk about weekly closing candles as very significant. Action anything before a close of the weekly candle. So looking really good here. On the daily, we are still testing the upper trend line here, but we did come up and retest our previous all-time high. But with Ethereum breaking out over its previous all-time high and using it as support, I do like this, and I do think that we are going to see continuation here. So I am remaining bullish on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Jumping into Egld, we started accumulating this one back in this green box territory, and currently up about 60% for everybody in my Discord and the premium group. So if you are interested in that, the Discord link is down below in the description. Based on that, we are up 60%, and Egld is performing quite nicely. The reason I show you Egld is not to show you, hey, look how much gains I've made. It's because I believe Avax is in a very similar chart pattern. I think it's a little bit more volatile from this accumulation green box zone. It's a little bit bigger of an area or a range. So I do believe that we are going to see something very similar with Avax happen very soon, especially if Ethereum and Bitcoin continue to consolidate or move higher. I do really like Avax here. This is the first time the 6-hour RSI has been able to get over the bullish control zone and maintain above there since back here when we went on this little run. So we'll have to see how things go, but I do remain with a bullish bias on this. I did also want to throw in one chart here that I think is in a perfect reaccumulation zone, and that is Cardano. I really like Cardano here. I think we saw like a nice high here versus dollars at about $1.50, came back down, created a double top, and we did come down and create a higher low, and we've come back up and we've started consolidating. In my opinion, if this was a really strong double top, we would have broken lower here on this test. Now, everything is obviously subject to Bitcoin and Ethereum, but Cardano is looking really good here for a reaccumulation area, in my opinion. You have to make your own opinion on that, but based on my strategy, this is a reaccumulation zone for Cardano. Obviously, it is subject to Bitcoin and Ethereum either holding their ground or continuing higher. So that's one that I have for today for you guys. Then we have Sora XOR. So I've been closely monitoring the chart here. Obviously, this is extremely volatile asset. It's under a $1 billion market cap. It went up parabolically, even broke past our initial target that we had here. And now we're just in this volatile range, seeing like, 10-20% fluctuations up and down. I do like this now. It has started to consolidate near a bottoming pattern. I just extrapolated a trend line here on the support levels for 2 and now a 3rd touch point here. So let's see if it holds. There's no guarantees. It's on a 4-hour chart, right? So it's not like Bitcoin's parabolic uptrend line, which is on like a weekly basis, which holds a lot more weight. But on a 4-hour period, we are starting to retest this support zone or this support trend line. So let's see if it holds. And if it does hold, I do like this to go and break all-time highs. Also, if we do see this as a nice Wing formation, it would give us a target up in the $1,200 or US dollar region. So looks really good for XOR. I wanted to keep this video short and sweet, give you a lightning update. You want to support the channel, join the Discord, and the Patreon link is down below. Also have Market Cipher down below. With that being said, guys, have a good one. See you on the next video. Cheers.